Welcome all of you dear student for our BSc first year semester first and our period is fifth period. Subject is differential calculus first paper. So student, in some previous lectures we have already discussed what is meant by the derivable function. What is meant by the derivable function, and we have discussed some examples such that the f of x is equal to mod x, show that whether it is derivable or not. We have already discussed this some point. Here we are going to discuss the definition of derived function. So what is meant by derived function? See here, what is meant by derived function. So we have defined the derivative of a function f of x for a particular value c. In previous lecture we have discussed these things. What is meant by derivative of the function at particular point c. So c is a representative point, c is a representative element from our domain, whatever the domain given for that corresponding function, of the independent variable. So all values in the code, all values in the domain are independent variable instead of considering a particular number c. So here we have to replace that number c, and we now consider any number x. So what is any number x? X is any number, that means it is general point. It may be c, it may be d, it may be some other fixed point, but here c is general point, and derivative So this limit is exist, limit f of x plus h minus f of x divided by h when h tends to 0. If this limit is exist, that means the derivative is exists where x is kept constant. So here x is kept constant, x is constant, h is variable because h tends from left and right to 0. So in the process of taking limit, so we suppose here that the limit exists whatever value x may have provided. The limit exists whatever value x may have provided, it belonging to the interval of the definition of the function. So this limit, which is a function, this limit is nothing but function of x and is called the derived function of derivative of f of x and is denoted by f dash of x. So derivative of function is called its differential coefficient. Derivative of function is called its differential coefficient. So the symbol f dash of c then denotes the derivative of f of x for x is equal to c. So that means generalized definitions of the derivative is nothing but derived function. So in this way we can find derivative of some function. Let us discuss one example. Consider example. Find the derivative of f of x is equal to x square. So we have to find the derivative of x square. So let function is f of x is equal to x square. Now we use definition of derivative. So what is the definition of derivative? F dash of x is equal to limit f of x plus h minus f of x divided by h as n tends to 0. This is our derived function. F dash of x is equal to limit f of x plus h minus f of x divided by h as it tends to 0. We have to find derivative for f of x is equal to x square. So here which term I have to required? So limit f of x plus h and f of x. So f of x is there. What is f of x? X square. So here f of x is x square and f of x plus h is nothing but x plus h square. Now we substitute this value f of x is equal to x square and f of x plus h is x plus h square. In this definition we say f dash of x is equal to this definition, we called it as equation number 1, and therefore f dash of x is equal to limit f of x plus h, that is x plus h square minus f of x. What is f of x? F of x is x square and divided by h. As h tends to 0, I write here h tends to 0. This is the convention. Expand this term x plus h square. So what is x plus h square? So limit h tends to 0, x plus h square is x square plus 2xh plus h square minus x square divided by h. And here x square get cancelled, and from numerator we can take h as constant term. There is again h and divided by h. H's get cancelled, and after substituting h is equal to 0 in this, we get 2x. So in this way we can find the derivative of any function. You try one example. As for your exercise, this question, find the derivative of x square. See here, find the derivative of f of x is equal to x square. May ask like find the differential coefficients of f of x is equal to x square. Like this. Example, find the differential coefficient of f of x is equal to root x. So differential coefficient means same. Find f dash of x is equal to. So use definition and try to find the derivative of function f of x. So in next lecture we will discuss about the another notations for the derivative. Thank you very much.